If your ads are being disapproved for compromised site and circumventing system, then this video is for you, because in this video I will reveal how we were able to solve another case study of our client whose ads were being affected with compromised site and circumventing system. So before we get started on this, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, the Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup management, or Google Ads suspension, Google Ads disapproval, or Google multi-center disapproval, or management or landing page services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's move forward to the quest to and this amazing case study over here for Google Ads being disapproved for circumventing system and compromised site. So this was the site of the client, and this was targeting the New York region, and this is about the limo car services. And the notice the client got, which I'm going to show you as well in this video. And this is going to be the message over here. No, sorry, this is not the message, but no, this is not either, sorry for this. And this is the message over here, this one, sorry. So over here you can see over here that the client has ads being disapproved for compromised site and circumventing system. These two were the effects over there. For those who don't know, we have been solving around and sorting out the cases for Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads suspensions, Google Merchant Center suspensions, and so far we are being able to develop 160 plus checkpoints checklist, which ensures the compliance with the Google network is necessary. We have different points over which we have learned after by solving out dozens and hundreds and thousands of cases of our Google Ads being suspended. We also have with the Google Ads in unreliable claim, misleading, so many options are over there. We also help with suspensions. So what we have learned are those checkpoints, and after this, what we did was we did two things over there. One of our members started discussion with the Google support. We have a dedicated manager as a Google partner with whom we started the consultation on why the ads are being disapproved. Plus we started doing our own edit as well, and plus number three, we started doing the experiments on the ads on our test account, so the client account does not get suspended. So we were doing three things. Again, this was not possible without the help of my team who worked along with me. So there were a few things which they pointed out. Number one was page speed needed to be improved. This was over there as well. And there were some broken links. The service page was not opening, and on reservation page, this there were some other serving airports has some issues as well, and the policy page redirected to the reservation page as well. So this was also misleading over here as well. And there was no checkout option over here. There was an amount missing, and the payment method also needed to be reflect in the checkout needs to be present on the website, and if they both do not match each other, the ads can stay on being suspended. And also the social media link is not available, and because you were not providing 24/7 service, so how come you're writing this in your page? So we asked them to remove that as well. So then what we did was we improved the mobile's performance. It was very bad at the start, and then it went to the 87. And apart from the mobile performance, we also optimized on the desktop speed. You can see over here that how eventually fast it has become over here. And then while doing this, one of our staff member got this one was that thank you for your patience while waiting. We apologize for the inconvenience caused to you. After conducting a thorough review in collaboration with the wider team, I regret to inform you that the requested site has been identified by our system as malicious entity. Due to this classification, we should not be able to re-enable the site. This decision is made with utmost caution to protect the integrity of our platform and ensure the safety of our users. For any further assistance with our Google Ads account, feel free to contact us, and we would be glad to assist you. So you can see over here as well that the wider team rejected us. Again, we do not recommend people to request the review on the Google Ads account, but rather we discuss with the support higher end team for a manual review, and so that they can also pinpoint as well. So again, I cannot show you the classified information, but in the further communication, they also figured out some points like on the Google Search Console, and we also requested for the fresh cache updated. We also did various tests on our own as well. for the like over here for https monitoring everything, for this was also being provided by clients to make sure that the website has almost everything needed to be done on the site security. And after a thorough discussion and thorough changes required on the website, then this was the email we were able to got. This was our this mail was being sent to our client, and it was, "Hi Achal, thank you for your patience. The reason ads were disapproved is because malicious content was found on the website when originally scanned by our system. Google automatically and consistently scan all web domains on the ad network for suspicious links which might be harmful to Google Ads users. With that said, I'm happy to inform you that the most recent scan of the site made by our system, no malicious content was detected. Ads are reapproved and should start serving within 24 to 72 hours. We recommended re-uploading the ads for faster processing." And apart from this is another as well, with the ads being now eligible. And if I show you the original picture over here, the ads were being disapproved over here, so you can see over here that the ads are being approved. So in case if you need help, and if your Google ads are being disapproved for compromised system, compromised site, circumventing system, misleading representation, unreliable claim, or any other issue, we also help with Google Ads suspension plus Google merchant status suspension plus Google Ads management, campaigns audit setup. So many things we help. You can hire us through the link in the description, and me and my team will love to work with you. So I hope you like this case study, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.